Want to turn off secure storage on your Facebook Messenger on Android? Secure storage is a feature used to protect your chats, and turning it off is not exactly recommended, but it will give you easier access to backups and improve the overall performance. Here's how you can disable this setting. First, open the Messenger app. Tap the three-line icon on the corner. Click the gear icon. Scroll down. Click on Privacy and Safety. In here, look for end-to-end encrypted chats. Open it. Tap Message Storage. Scroll down and tap Turn off secure storage. You'll be prompted to confirm this action. Simply tap on Continue. And that's it. That's how easy it is to turn off secure storage on any Messenger app and Android devices. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this. And I'll see you around.